guys, what's up YouTube? In this video I'm going to show you the 6 affiliate marketing mistakes everybody in the affiliate marketing world that is just starting out, every newbie in the affiliate marketing industry that is just starting out should avoid. These are some of the mistakes I made, and I hope you guys should not make this mistake, especially if you're just starting out in the affiliate marketing industry. So stay to the end of this video. I'm going to give you 6 things that you can do to get started with affiliate marketing. So back guys again. So this video I'm going from number 1 down to number 6. So let's get right into the video. So the first thing you need to focus on if you want to be successful as an affiliate marketer, and you should avoid is the wrong mindset. And this is the thing I see with a lot of people, especially people that just get started with affiliate marketing and they struggle with this a lot. You know, a lot of people when they just know about affiliate marketing, all they think about is I want to make some quick cash, I want to make some quick money, I want to make this, I want to make that. But the thing is, you have to start focusing your mindset on actually bringing value, not just about the making money. It's the impact that you can make. Shift your mindset from just the money aspect of it. The money aspect will come, but bring value to the marketplace. And you know, and there's some things, there's some habits you have to derive for you to be successful as an affiliate marketer, and these are things that even apply to every other industry. You know, there are some things that you need to schedule yourself, you need to plan your time. You know, you need to set up things, do exercise, eat right, you know, wake up early, do some stuff, write out the goals you want to achieve, this kind of income you want to achieve in so time, months, days, weeks. You know, there are some things and habits and rituals you have to, you know, put in place for you to be able to achieve success even as an affiliate marketer. So your mindset and the habits you have is very, very, very important as an affiliate marketer. So the second thing is proper training. So a lot of people, you know, they just hear about affiliate marketing from YouTubers and stuff like that, but they don't, you know, focus on training. And what I mean by this is you have to go through a course that teaches you specifically about affiliate marketing, not just watching, you know, YouTube videos and stuff like that. None of that is going to really teach you the real and main strategy. You need to go through a course, sacrifice your money to go through a course and get the actual training of how affiliate marketing works. So some people don't go through training, just watch a bunch of YouTube videos after YouTube videos, and they don't actually take action. They just watch videos after videos after videos after videos, and they just get stuck because it's all called information overload. They get stuck after like consuming so much content and information, they just get paralyzed and don't know what to do, don't know what steps to take. But when you go through a course, it teaches you step by step what product you need to, what process or procedure you need to follow for you to be able to achieve the desired result. So that's the very, very, very important thing. The third thing I need you guys also to know, and a lot of people make mistake with this, is traffic. A lot of people think you're just going to make, you know, you're going to make money on affiliate marketing just by putting some link, an affiliate link for someone to buy. You know, some of them go to Facebook groups, spam links all over the place. They go to YouTube comment section, spam links all over the place. They go to IG, spam links all over the place. And you know, people hate that kind of stuff. How can you just meet someone and just start telling the person, join my opportunity, you're going to make $1,000, you're going to make $1 million, and you join my opportunity? It doesn't make any sense. It's just like going to a bar, seeing a girl and just tell her, can you come and sleep with me in my house? It doesn't make sense. How will you get just follow you like that? How can you just tell her, can you come to my house and just come and have a good time with me just like that, and you expect her to follow you? So that's the same way you need to think about affiliate marketing. It's about building a system and a process to build a relationship with your audience. So traffic is very, very important. So various ways you can get traffic. You can go for paid traffic, or you can go for free traffic. So I always recommend everybody starting out to always go for free traffic first. When they have made enough income, they should go for paid traffic to scale up. So you can do traffic for YouTube, for Instagram, for Facebook, for LinkedIn, for Pinterest, for TikTok, whatever platform you want to choose. Try to put out content that is going to be as valuable as it can be to your audience, and make people to build what we call the know, like, and trust factor, so they can actually have a relationship with you. And whenever you have a product to recommend to them, after building that value process and that relationship with them, you'll be willing to buy that product or service that you're offering to them, so you can get your commission for you. So don't just go to places, forums, and start spamming links everywhere and telling people to join your post. So nobody's going to join your post. I've tried it before, it doesn't work. Start building a long-term relationship with your audience. It's very next one, which is number 4, is automation. A lot of people don't know how to use automation to make the work easier for them in their affiliate marketing business. Most of them just try to do everything manually, and you have automations, you know, software that you can use to make the process very, very easy for you. And I always gonna recommend, anytime you are doing affiliate marketing, please I'm begging you, always make use of a sales funnel. Honestly, don't just sell people, no matter the amount of traffic you use. Even if you have a lot of audience or people that are buying your products, just send people directly to your offer. It's not going to be sustainable for you long term. I'm begging you, please have a sales funnel. So in case you are just hearing a sales funnel for the first time, I have some previous video in my YouTube channel. You can check them out on sales funnel and how to make use of them and stuff like that. So a sales funnel is just a systematic marketing process that takes your a customer, a client, and attracts them. After attracting them, try to convert them into a lead, and also nurture them to be a customer that buys products from you over and over again. And you can do this by having what we call a lead magnet. So let's say you want to attract people to your sales funnel. It's a very automated, systematic sales process and marketing process that converts a lead into a buyer and keeps them to buying from you. So the thing is, just like I said, lead magnet. So lead magnet is what you use to attract people to your sales funnel. Let's say you have a free ebook that you want to use to attract leads into your sales funnel. You can have a low ticket item, let's say like $5, $7, $10 type of low ticket item that people can buy, for a limited time only, for them to be attracted into your sales funnel. Then your sales funnel, you can tell them, you've gotten my item for $7 or $5 or whatever the price, or if it's free. And if you like to get a even more advanced system on how you can get this result, let's say it's a drumming course, you give them a checklist or a guide on how to get started with drumming for beginners. Then you give them an advanced course that they can use to know everything about drumming. And you can make that one like, let's say $97. And also, when they go to your next step of your sales funnel, you can also give them a one-on-one coaching session and everything like that for them to do it. It depends on how you structure your sales funnel. But affiliate marketing, most people they promote maybe one or two products. They don't really promote so many products, because they're not the one who control the product really. They're just promoting it on behalf of the company. So always make sure you have a sales funnel to automate the process. Send them to a landing page, give them a headline that sparks curiosity for them to be given enough reason to opt in to your email list. Your email list is where you send them automated email follow-up sequences and gives them more value. Send them to your content, probably your blog, your website, or wherever, your YouTube channel, your Facebook page, your Facebook group, wherever it is. Give them more content, more value, and you can also sell them stuff through emails. And also they can also buy even while still in that sales process. I can have upsells and stuff like that. So I always recommend you always have a sales funnel in place to automate your whole process, so you don't have to start manually sending things to people with Gmail and stuff like that. So it's very, very important to have a sales process, have a sales funnel in place to automate your systems and your audience. The last one I'll talk about is conversion. So the conversion aspect is I'm going to bring part of it from what I said before about having a sales funnel. So conversion is actually knowing how to convert and when to convert your lead into a buying customer. So after they've gone through your sales funnel, you have to look for a way to convert them. That's why I always say, if people don't buy something from you right away, don't just I used to say, don't just send people directly to your offer. Especially if you are doing paid advertising. Facebook doesn't like people spamming links in their ads manager or whoever platform it is. They don't like you just sending traffic just to your offers, because a lot of people just send traffic to your offers hoping they're going to get the same. Most of the time, 90% to 80% of the time, most people don't buy something when they're just sending it at the first instance. They need to get more information, they need to trust you enough for them to buy from you. So always try to, after getting people to your sales funnel, always try to nurture those leads. No matter how small your list members are for your email list, no matter how small they are, always try to email them, keep bringing them value, introduce yourself to them, tell them about your story. Storytelling sells a lot these days. So you have to tell them about your story, how you started your journey, and everything about you, and also give them more value, tips and tricks and stuff like that. Give them even more bonuses even through the email, and that way you convert them to be able to know, like, and trust you, and also buy from you. So it's very, very important. Conversion is very important. This is the way you convert your leads into your buying customers. So always make sure you have follow-up sequences and content strategy for you to convert them into buying customers, and they will also be able to refer you to other people. Like, this guy also knows his stuff, can get his course, can get his program, can get his product from him and stuff like that. A lot of people that make millions of dollars just doing affiliate marketing, not even having their own product. It's a very lucrative way that you guys to make money. And also, please don't ever make these 6 mistakes. So, yeah, are the best ways to be successful in affiliate marketing. To avoid this kind of mistakes. That's why I started in the beginning. Mindset, don't have a wrong mindset. Go through a proper training. Don't just watch these videos. Take action on your goals. Have a ritual habit that you implement. Also, make sure that you build an audience by having traffic from different platforms that you put content out in. Have an automated sales funnel in place and also try to convert them into a sale. So if you guys loved what I just talked about in this video, make sure to smash the like button. And also, if this is your first time coming into my channel, make sure you subscribe down below and hit the bell icon. I put this content, digital marketing and how to make money online. So if this is what you like, make sure you subscribe. And also, what do you think are the mistakes that rookie affiliate marketers make? Let me know down in the comment section below. I'll be able to engage with you down there. Thank you guys for watching my video. Also follow me on my other social media platforms: Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. Follow me there to get more content from me. I'll be hoping to see you there also on a video. Also, thank you guys again for watching this video, and God bless you. Peace.